Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I love bringing you a new phrase each week, which I hope you're learning them and practicing them and using them. That's the most important thing with your family and your friends and at work. And today's one is one that will suit lots of situations, and it means, what's the problem? So if somebody's coming to you and they're a bit upset, you can say, he aha te raru raru, and you would need to translate that one. So you would say, he aha te raru raru, what's the problem? And then after you've said that in situations like that with children or people in the family, then you can actually just say, he aha te raru raru, because people will know what you mean. This is obviously a little bit tricky because there are so many R's. So you need to be good at rolling your R's for this one. It's more of a R. Ra, ru, ra, ru. And that means problem. What's the problem? He aha what? Te the. What is the problem? He aha te ra, ru, ra, ru. So it's a really good practice for rolling your R's. Ka kite.